Donald, what do you think all this is going to be like in 100 years in the year 2025?
Well, that, my friend, is a very good question.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
And you're listening to HVAC 100 Ruud Radio.
Let's light it up. Go, 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 go. Let's light it up. Go, 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 go. Let's light it up. They call me Donald, nice to meet you. Now let's press rewind. 0620 1925. Me and my brother Richard had a dream, perfect team. That alley-oop we got from William was the start to Rheem. Manufacturing steel drums and metal products was the beginning. Our competition was next to nada. Grinding every day, the progress really starts to show. With hard work and dedication, we begin to grow. Go, 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 go. Let's light it up. Go, 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 go. Let's light it up. We're moving forward now. In 1936, we opened up a plant in Sydney, yeah, that play was sick. Cause now we're making water heaters and shipping containers. You know we never settle, we push for something greater. We set the bar now, never wait for later. In the 1940s and 50s, we're breaking boundaries, adding more to the product line, taking over the industry. Go, go. Anything is possible, never standing still, overcoming any obstacle. Let's light it up. Go, 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 go. Let's light it up. Go, 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 go. Let's light it up.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage, Boom Percussion!
They call me Edwin, I'm the man who started Ruud. Invented water heating, they say I'm a brilliant dude. In 1959, my friends at Rheem came a-calling. Of course we joined forces, after that we started balling. Top tier AC inside your home, we heat it too. Can't forget to add water, yeah, you know that's how we do. Our success is not a mystery, we focus on delivery. It's all about the team and together we're making history. It's been 100 years, it's 2025. We're here to celebrate history right before our eyes. We stood the test of time, now some call it legendary. Never secondary and surely not ordinary. Anything is possible, now we're paving the way. Got our own style, I promise we're here to stay. Always doing new things to meet the customer needs. Achieving what we believe, the sky is the limit, next starts now. Go, 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 go. Let's light it up. Go, 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 go. 100 years. Rheem. Celebrate. Ruud. 100 years.